Today we got some 4-inch recessed lights. We are gonna put them up here because guess what? These are not looking great, but they're not made to be outside. So they lasted 5 years and we're gonna replace them. Inside the package we got this template. I will measure that and tell you how big that is. It doesn't say on it anywhere. Then we have the directions. And then inside there's 2 in each pack here. Let's see what they look like. This is what they look like when you pull them out. They have these spring clips. These are pretty heavy duty. And if you look on the side, this is a light also. So this is what's cool about these. They have a side light and a down light. It comes with this remote control, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to use the app for everything. We'll get into that. And then these are the control boxes for each one. Let's see what they look like. Looks like you can just poke your holes right in the side and hook everything up. Comes with some wire nuts, and we have a ground, a hot, and a neutral. For me, I have these in here already, and to get them out, you're just gonna pull like that to get your old one out. And then we gotta unhook it. You gotta make sure that you don't have electricity on so you don't get electrocuted. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is get one of these connectors. You're gonna poke out one of these and you're gonna put this right into it. And once you have this in there, you just feed the wire through and connect it. You will have a wire hanging out of your roof or wherever you're putting it. And you're gonna put that through this hole. Once you get it through, you're gonna wanna tighten this up. This clamp will hold it in place, and then we're gonna put together the wires. That one, looking at the wires, there's a black one, there's a white one, and a green one. The black and white one go to black and white, the green one goes to the ground. Once you get all 3 of these hooked up, just like that, black to black, white to white, green to copper, you're gonna tuck them all in here and close the box. Next, you're gonna hook this light up. This and this hook together. If you look inside there, there's a little notch. The little notch goes to the little notch, and then you tighten them together. Once they're tightened together, you are ready to push this back up into the ceiling. And then we're gonna put this up there, but we can just do it. Look, you push one in, you push it up, and there we are. Let's go test it out. The light is blinking. That probably means that it wants to connect to the app. So we're gonna download the app now. You're gonna have to go to the app store and find this. Once you find it, hit the button. It's gonna download, install. Once you got all that, you're gonna add the device. You're gonna set up your internet, and then it's gonna find it automatically. Once it finds it, you can do whatever you want. It lets you change the colors. The one light is all white, the other one is color. So those are your options here. Now we have a white light with a little red ring around it. How cool is that? We're changing colors now.
Yeah, like this.
Next.
Next.
Next. Next. Ooh. These are really cool lights. And they make it really bright white light too.